Hello guys, this boy Binky from How to BC. Today I'll walk you through how to show the uh, app's name in the taskbar. Step is very easy. You go in the Windows icon and go to settings. From settings go to personalization and go to taskbar and scroll down until you see campaign taskbar button. You set in the never. See we have a lot of stuff here. Let's close any taskbar. You will see we have the name of the apps because you will see the name of the app. This video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.